Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go.
Subscribe to Life Made Easy for more awesome content.
Hey guys, today's shout is going to a guy named Trey. He subscribed and turned notifications on. He was really supportive of one of my previous videos. So guys, make sure to go check out Trey's channel. He currently has 5 subscribers. And it seems like he uploads, mainly Fortnite gameplays as well as World War II and Call of Duty, good stuff. Without further ado, subscribe to him and let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so I don't really have a main idea for this video, so I just wanted to thank you guys so much for the support. That's gonna be the main focus of this video. It's gonna be very quick. I just want to thank you guys so much for the support I've been gaining. I'm gaining like close to 20k views in the past 48 hours. Like, it's absolutely insane, guys. Just remember that I appreciate every single one of my subscribers. And by the way, guys, for those shoutouts, I'm trying to go through all my previous comments where you guys have asked me for those shoutouts. So if you guys want a shout out and I forgot about you, just comment down below that you gave me the idea to give you a shout out, because I may have forgotten about you, but I try to look through previous shout outs. I sometimes miss just because I'm getting so many so many comments these days that I struggle to look through all of them, and I struggle to reply to all of them. That's kind of like a bittersweet in a way, but yeah, guys, thank you so much for all the support. I appreciate you guys immensely. I appreciate all you guys liking my videos, commenting. I love chatting with you guys. And by the way, if you guys want to chat with me one-on-one or anything like that, just hit me up on Discord. I'll link it down below for you guys if you want to go join my Discord server. I do have that as well. So yeah, you guys let me know what you guys want to see in the future when it comes to uploads. I'm down for all kinds of thoughts on videos. I want to make content specifically for you guys, and I want to know what you guys specifically want to see going forward in the future, and hopefully we can keep this train rolling with positivity. I love reading all your guys' comments. It's great, and it's just so much fun that I can put out content that you guys find enjoyable. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure to follow me on all my stuff and subscribe for that shout out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.